Hey skincare fam! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of skincare. Are you tired of complicated routines with a million steps? Do you find yourself overwhelmed by the sheer number of products on your bathroom sink? Me too. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about skin cycling. It's like a breath of fresh air for your skin. Imagine a routine that's simple yet effective, giving your skin exactly what it needs without the hassle. Think of it like this. Instead of bombarding your skin with strong ingredients every single night, we're going to give it a break. By rotating different products, your skin gets time to recover and rejuvenate. This way, your skin can actually absorb all the goodness and glow up like never before. You'll notice a significant improvement in texture, radiance, and overall health. No more irritation, no more confusion, just happy, healthy skin. Imagine waking up to a complexion that's calm, clear, and absolutely glowing. Intrigued? Let's dive right in. We're going to break down the steps, show you the best products to use, and explain how to tailor the routine to your specific skin type. Get ready to transform your skincare game. Okay, so what's the deal with skin cycling? It's basically a strategic approach to skincare where you cycle through different active ingredients on different nights, followed by rest days. This way, you get all the benefits of powerful ingredients like exfoliants and retinoids without overwhelming your skin. The result? Think fewer breakouts, reduced hyperpigmentation, smoother texture, and that lit from within glow. Here's the beauty of skin cycling. It's super simple. This method is designed to maximize the benefits of your skincare products while minimizing irritation. By rotating different active ingredients, you give your skin time to recover and adapt, leading to healthier, more radiant skin over time. It's a 4-night cycle. Night 1, exfoliation night. This is where you start the process of renewing your skin. Time to say goodbye to dead skin cells. Exfoliation helps to remove the outer layer of dead skin, revealing the fresh new skin underneath. This step is crucial for preventing clogged pores and enhancing the absorption of other skincare products. Use a chemical exfoliant. We'll chat about product recommendations later. To reveal brighter, smoother skin. Night 2, retinoid night. This is where the magic happens. Retinoids are the superheroes of the skincare world, fighting acne, wrinkles, and everything in between. They work by increasing cell turnover and stimulating collagen production, which helps to keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Apply a pea-sized amount of a retinoid product to clean, dry skin. Remember, a little goes a long way with these powerful ingredients. Nights 3 and 4, recovery nights. These nights are all about giving your skin a break from active ingredients and focusing on soothing and repairing. Give your skin a break. This is the time to use gentle, hydrating products that help to restore your skin's natural barrier and keep it moisturized. Focus on hydration and nourishment with a gentle cleanser, a hydrating serum, and a moisturizer. And repeat, by following this simple 4-night cycle, you can achieve healthier, more radiant skin without overwhelming it. Easy peasy, right? Choosing the right products is key for successful skin cycling. Skin cycling is a method where you rotate different skincare products to maximize their benefits while minimizing irritation. This approach can help you achieve that coveted glowing skin by giving your skin time to recover and adapt to each product. Here are some of my beginner-friendly recommendations that can fit seamlessly into your skin cycling routine. These products are not only effective, but also gentle enough for those who are just starting out. Exfoliation night. The ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. This powerful exfoliant helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and smoother complexion underneath. This is a cult favorite for a reason. It's known for its ability to deeply exfoliate the skin, but it's important to use it correctly to avoid irritation. It's effective, but be sure to do a patch test first. This ensures that your skin can handle the potent ingredients without adverse reactions. Paula's Choice Skin, perfecting 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This product is excellent for unclogging pores and reducing blackheads, a gentler option for sensitive skin. It's formulated to be less irritating while still providing effective exfoliation. Retinoid Night CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. Retinoids are essential for promoting cell turnover and improving skin texture. A great option for beginners, it's gentle yet effective. This serum helps to reduce the appearance of post-acne marks and refine the skin's surface. Versed Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. This is another excellent choice for those with sensitive skin who want to incorporate retinoids into their routine. another fantastic choice for sensitive skin. It's designed to minimize irritation while still delivering the benefits of retinol. Recovery Nights. CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is perfect for recovery nights when your skin needs a break from active ingredients. A gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin. Follow it up with a hyaluronic acid serum to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Look for one from the Inky list or the Ordinary. Both brands offer affordable and effective options. Ilyune Ceramide 8O Concentrate Cream, a deeply hydrating moisturizer that helps to strengthen the skin barrier. Remember, these are just suggestions. Everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to find what works best for your skin. Experiment with different products and routines to discover what makes your skin glow.